Hi friends, my name is Francesca. I am a teacher of meditation and yoga and healthy living from yourlightmeditation.com, and today I would like to talk about some problems that people that decide to meditate can face. For instance, the first one that I would like to talk about is restless of the body. Let's say that we start to meditate, and after a little while maybe we feel sore or ache in one leg or on the back, on one knee or foot, and it's very important to listen to your body, because if you are sore, your mind cannot concentrate on your meditation, and instead is concentrating on the pain that is feeling in the body. So my suggestion would be to have some stretch your body before you start your meditation, or if you're familiar with some yoga, you can do some yoga postures in a gentle way so that your body can get more relaxed and stretched, and most likely will be a little bit easier for you to sit comfortably. Suggestion would be to do some stretches and some maybe yoga postures, some gentle movements before you start meditating, so that when you sit, you're going to be able to concentrate on your meditation without being distracted by your body pains and aches. So if you're familiar with some yoga, hatha yoga especially, you could get familiarized with it and practice some of it before you decide to sit and meditate. Another problem that you can incur when you meditate is your restless mind. So this is very, very common, especially because we have high expectations to sit and just have our mind completely quiet and silent after we live our lives constantly thinking and acting throughout our days. So I suggest you to be very, very patient, and instead of getting angry or upset because you are not concentrated on your meditation, try to bring your attention back to whichever practice of meditation you are doing. On many meditation practices are also with awareness of your breath and awareness of the mantra or visualization you are performing at the time of meditation. So instead of following your restless mind and following whichever thought arises at the moment, try to bring your mind back into your meditation practice. Even if this takes you a long while, it's really, really good for you not to fight your mind, but to observe and watch the process and gently bring that attention back into your meditation practice. So remind yourself the reasons why you are meditating and be gentle with yourself, because you can get a lot of benefit if you meditate. Another problem that some people can feel during their meditation is to be bored. So because we are used to constantly doing things and thinking and acting, creating, moving, we are bombarded by sounds and noises. So our ourselves, we are not used to sit down and do nothing or be very, very quiet. So my suggestion for this, it would be to instead to enjoy the quiet time that you are dedicating to yourself, and give your body, your mind and your heart a break from all the noise and all these external stimulations, and enjoy the rest that derives from really taking time off from all this information and music and sound and noise that is constantly around us. So just get used to spend time in quiet by yourself or with other people and meditate and enjoy the silence and the relaxations that is created through your meditation. Another problem that we can face when we are meditating is sometimes getting uncomfortable in the positions that we decide to keep during meditation. Some of us like to meditate on the floor, sitting there in comfortable positions. Other people prefer to sit on a chair. So if you feel your back sore or your legs getting very uncomfortable and you're sitting on the floor, you could either get a meditation bench or a pillow, or move to a chair so that your legs are more relaxed. But you want to make sure that you're sitting on something that makes you being straight, so your back should be straight to avoid actually too much relaxation and getting into sleepy mode. Another problem that we can face during our meditation is actually to fall asleep when we meditate. So we naturally think that our meditation was not successful, and then we can maybe feel a little bit upset with ourselves or angry because we didn't do a good meditation practice. But I believe that actually if you fall asleep during your meditation, it's because your body, your system, your mind needs to relax and needs the energy that maybe you didn't have anymore because you worked hard during the day. So my suggestion is to go rest, and after you've rested, try to meditate if you have the time, and also choose a meditation time that works for you when you are still energetic. Don't wait to meditate when you're very tired and sleepy, because obviously your meditation will not be successful. So these are a few problems that we can have when we meditate. I'm sure there are many other ones, and actually I would like to hear from you. What are your struggles and problems when you meditate? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you like what you heard, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up on my video, and maybe if you like, subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all a wonderful day, a successful meditation, and lots of peace, love, and joy. Blessings to all.